Shockwave Audio.
DJ Vic Donoso 𝐷 on the mix.
Quiet at first, but we're ready to ignite. One switch on, we light up the night. Crystal clear sound, feel the vibration. Every beat hits with perfect precision. We don't just play, we dominate the scene. Professional crew, set up clean. Affordable price, but premium flow. When the bass drops, feel the shockwave blow.
Tahimik man, pero ang lakas ay grabe. Pag sumabog, buong crowd ay sabay-sabay. Linis ng tunog, solid ang bagsak. Shockwave Pro Audio, walang katapat.
Boom! Feel the shockwave sound. Best mini sound in Autumn Town. Malakas pero malinaw ang dating. Best intensity crowd ay gigising.
Sleeping bomb, now we rise. Energy reaching to the skies.
Shockwave Pro Audio, #1 choice. Sa bawat celebration, hear the voice.
This is Shockwave Pro Audio.
Birthday party, graduation day, reunion ng pamilya, saya all the way. Debut at anniversary, special na gabi. Kami ang bahala, perfect ang party. Kahit anong gipid, maliit o malaki, serbisyo namin ay world class lagi. Mas mura ang presyo, pero grabe sa tunog at serbisyo, siguradong panalo.
Set up time to the final beat. We make the party complete.
Lights flashing, crowd alive. Team Turbulence brings the vibe. Boom! Feel the shockwave sound. Best mini sound that shakes the ground. Clear and loud, no distortion. Every rhythm pure emotion.
Sleeping bomb, now explode. Shockwave Pro Audio takes the road.
Powered by Team Turbulence. Pride in Oton, Iloilo, we lead the ride. Saon kami kilala na sa kalidad at lakas ng musika. Hindi lang sound, kundi kalidad. Shockwave Pro Audio intense.
Turn it up, don't slow down. Shockwave Pro Audio owns this town.
Cheaper price but the best service crew. Professional vibes, all for you.
Sleeping bomb has arrived tonight. Best intensity, sound so tight.
Shockwave Pro Audio, remember the name sa bawat party, we bring the flame.
DJ Vic Donoso 𝐷 on the mix. This is Shockwave Pro Audio.